Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your phone GPS acting up? Whether it's inaccurate tracking or it won't connect at all, I've got a step-by-step guide to get your GPS working perfectly again. The first step is to enable location services. Go to settings, then you navigate your way to privacy and security. Then go to location services. Make sure location services is toggled on. Scroll down and find the app that uses GPS and select why using the app or always. If you're using maps, confirm it has location access. The next step is to ensure airplane mode is off. Open the control center and check the airplane mode is turned off. If it's already off, juggle it on for a few seconds, then turn it off again. The next step is to restart your phone. Power up your phone completely, then you wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches that might be interfering with your GPS. Fourth step is to check for GPS signal obstructions. Use GPS in open spaces like outdoor or near windows. Avoid areas with heavy interference like building, tunnels or dense forests. The next step is to update your iOS or software. Go to settings, then go to general. Then you go to software update and check for updates. Updates often include fixes for location bugs or GPS issues. Next, reset location and privacy setting. Go to settings, then general, then reset. Then go to reset, location and privacy. Confirm the reset. Afterwards, re-enable location service for your apps. Next step is to turn off low power mode. Go to setting, then navigate your way to battery. And make sure low power mode is turned off. Low power mode can limit GPS functionality. Next step is to calibrate compass, which is optional. If you are using navigation apps, recalibrate your compass by opening the compass app and following the on-screen instructions. Next step is to test with another app. Open a different GPS-enabled app like Google Map to check if the problem is specific to one app. If the issue persists, it might be an hardware related. Contact your phone support team or visit an authorized service center. Follow these steps and your GPS should be up and running again. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe and share with someone who might need it. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.